just at the port now, waiting for the boat to come in. There's a little blue one over there. Hopefully it's safe. We'll soon find out. But once again, cooking out here. But a lovely day. The sun is blazing. It's very nice. So we'll see what it has to offer. But yeah, the boat ride's about what? We'll start at 9 and finish at like 2 or 2:30. And yeah, it should be nice. Looking forward to it. All right, so boat trip time. Water coconut delivery here, look at this.
Okay guys, who wants to buy coconut? 50 pesos only.
Crystal Cove, have it, Crystal Cove Island. Very cool inside there. The second stop of the little boat trip. Beautiful look. Very, very nice. You get like 4 stops included, or 5 actually, including the helmet dive. And then yeah, you get lunch too, which is a buffet thing as well, which is nice. Right, so Cove 2 is just a little walk in some water, then you're out of it. But yeah, it's still very cool. Look at it. Oh look, crabs. Look at it, loads of mini crabs. Look at him. There's little crabs. Now we're at the Tambizan Beach, Boracay. Oh, look at this, lovely. I don't know if it's apartments or hotel, but it looks really nice. $1,000 a night. Check it out, this is the final beach here. I forget the name of it, but it looks nice. What's it called? Puka Beach. This is Puka Beach. Very pretty. Yeah, the mango smoothies here in Boracay, Philippines are so good. Super fresh, sweet, and they're cheap. Like these cost between 60p and a pound. I had one in Vietnam. It's really good as well, 60p. So good, and they're massive. Back in the UK, this will cost you like at least £7, £8. And it won't do pure mango. We mix as well with orange or something. So yeah, really, really good. Check it out. Just say king shrimp. And the food looks so good. So we've got calamari here, garlic shrimp, black pepper shrimp, cream prawns, and garlic fried rice. And some veg over there, I don't know, some fried up veg. But yeah, food looks so good. The verdict, garlic prawns were the best, black pepper second, cream on the last, but all really nice. Calamari was delicious too, got cleaned up. Really good food. Yeah, I like it. Very nice.